in continuous motion. This constant colliding of particles in continuous motion is called Brownian movement. That's what called Brownian movement. Then we are having one important term, Tyndall effect. It's a sure short question. You are having this question in your board exam. What do you mean by Tyndall effect? It's simply scattering of light when passed through colloidal solution. When a beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution, we are having a colloidal solution and we are passing a beam of light through this colloidal solution. Then the light beam gets scattered. This scattering of light when passed through colloidal solution is called Tyndall effect. The scattering of light when passed through colloidal solution is called Tyndall effect. Then on the basis of dispersed phase and dispersion medium, we can name the colloid. I write dP and dm, that is dispersed phase and dispersion medium. If the dispersed phase is a solid and dispersion medium is a liquid, then the colloid can be named as salt. If the dispersed phase and dispersion medium both are in liquid state, both are liquids, then the colloid can be called as an emulsion. When the dispersed phase is either a solid or a liquid and the dispersion medium is gas, then the colloid can be called as aerosol. It is called aerosol. Now, how we define the colloids? If you have a question, explain colloidal system, then you can use these points. Colloids are simply mixtures with particle sizes ranges from 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. In a colloid, the substance which is present in small quantity is the dispersed phase, and the particles disperses in a medium called dispersion medium. And in a colloidal system, the particle never settle down. It is always in a suspended form. Due to this suspended form, they collide each other. This constant colliding during continuous motion is called Brownian movement. And when a beam of light is passed through a colloidal system, the light gets scattered, and this is called Tyndall effect. And on the basis of dispersion phase and dispersion medium, we name the colloids as salt, emulsion, and aerosol. That's all about colloids. I think it is clear to you what is colloids and how we explain a colloidal system on the basis of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. On the basis of dispersed phase and dispersion medium, we have given the names as salt, emulsion, and aerosol to the colloids. And what is a salt? It is a solid dispersed phase dispersed in liquid medium. That is, dispersed phase is solid and dispersion medium is liquid. That is called salt. If it is the dispersed phase either a solid or a liquid and the dispersion medium is gas, then it is called aerosol. If both dispersed phase and dispersion medium are liquid, then it can be called as emulsion. That's all about the topic colloids. The remaining topic we are having in this chapter is suspension. So, we have to explain in the similar way how we explain colloids, we have to explain suspension too. The next topic is suspension. Our previous topic, colloid. In colloids, we are having dispersed phase and dispersion medium, and on the basis of dispersed phase and dispersion medium, we name the colloids as salt, emulsion, and aerosol. And moving to the next one, the suspension. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. Remember, not homogeneous, it is heterogeneous. In which solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout. Here in suspension, the solute particles actually do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout. That's the peculiarity of suspension. It is a heterogeneous mixture. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. And one important thing is that here the solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout. And the particles of suspension are visible to our naked eye.